Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is the best web hosting for WordPress in 2020, 2021, and on and on and on. As y'all know, it's a lot of crazy stuff going on out here in the world, and new people are starting to start businesses every day. And a lot of people want to start a WordPress website these days, but they don't know which hosting to use. So I've done extensive research on the best web hosting companies in 2020 and beyond. Some of these companies I use myself, and some I've had friends in the industry or whatnot use these companies, and I've read numerous reviews and stuff for what's the best web hosting companies if you want to start a WordPress site or WordPress blog or just a website in general. So with that being said, I'm going to click through a few of them. One is Bluehost. One is WP Engine. One is, it's taking a while for this one to come up on my screen. But yeah, here we go. Name Hero. All of these load fast. You see right here, blazing fast speed, 99.9% website uptime. Free SSL certificate, which is huge. Instantly scalable, pay as you grow. One-click WordPress install and stage. I'm not going to sit here and go through all of them, but I am going to put the links below. The ones I have whenever you see this video are the real deal, but as time keeps going on, I'm going to keep editing to make sure I'm going to keep reviewing these, and as time goes on, you might see some new added links below in the description as I keep on researching the best web hosting companies to get you a WordPress site or blog or just any kind of site that you might want to start for your online business. So with that being said, check out all my links below. I'm also going to put a link to my blog so you can see all the stuff I got going on. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give me a like, thumbs up, and I appreciate that. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.